Hello, this is CP Edit, and in this video what I'll be doing is I'll be selecting a random hard problem from LeetCode and then try to solve that problem in real time. So I hope you like this video. So let's get started. So let's choose this problem, copy the title and write it in my lead driver. And let's put the start time. So it is 1:47. Given a list of words, list of single letters, and score of each character. Return the maximum score of any valid set of words formed by using the given letters. Words I cannot be used two or more times. Okay, so it is not necessary to use all characters in letters, and each letter can only be used once. Okay, so what they are saying is we have these characters and scores of each character is given in this. We have to create these words using these letters. So for example, if we have scores of a equals to this and this, given letters we can form the words dad and good with a score of 23. So we created dog and good here. Each character can only be used once. Okay, so let's see another example. It will make us more clear. So the score of ABC is 4, X is 5 and Z is 10. Given letters we can form AX. Okay, so we have formed AX, we have formed BX and we have formed CX. Okay. Word X, X, X and Z only get a score of 25. So why didn't we use XXXZ along with these words? Okay, so we have these letters. Okay, so count of these letters cannot exceed these. Okay, I got that. So we have these characters and we have these words. So we cannot create this word, so the output will be 0. Okay, interesting. So how do we approach this problem? In each valid solution, we'll be having some words which can be formed using these letters, and we have to maximize the score of those words. So suppose in one case we can create dog, cat and dad, and in another one we can create cat, dad and good. So we have to maximize that score. So let's see what is the maximum size of words. So the word's length is going to be maximum of 14 and each word is going to be a max of 15. And there are going to be at most 100 letters. So this 14 gives us an idea of using some sort of bit masking. So we have to select few words and check if those words can be created using the letters, and we add the answer. So 2 raised to power 14 is pretty doable. So let's start. So we'll be considering all the subsets of words. So for int I equals to 0, I less than words dot size. So we have to make sure that this is 2 raised to power n minus 1. So let's put a parenthesis to make it understandable. So I plus plus. So we have created a subset. Now check which of those words are usable in this subset. So for j equals to 0, j less than words dot size j plus plus. If this jth bit is set in I, that means we can use this word, or we can create a function itself. So this will return the answer. So int get score, and we pass a mask in it, and we pass words and letters and the score. So let's copy it in this function. So for int I equals to 0, I less than words dot length, I think it is size I plus plus. If mask and we have to check if ith bit is set in mask. So if this is set, that means we can use this ith word. So we have to create the letters again. So vector, so we are not passing it as an address, we are making its copy. So letter counts can be used in this one. So it's not said that letters can be only small case characters. Okay, so it can be small cased characters because it is given as score. Okay, so for x in letters, letter counts of x minus a plus plus. So we can create this one only once. So let's create it in the main function itself. Its size is going to be 26 and initialize it with 0. So we have letter counts here. Now we have to calculate the score. So if for int j equals to 0, j less than words dot length j plus plus, if letters count of words I j, so if this character is still present in the letters count, so we can just decrement this letters count. So we have decremented it, and now we have to add this value in answers. So answer plus equals to the score of this character, score of words I j, and answer is equal to 0 initially. So if answer is 0, and there may be case that it becomes 0. So letters count is 0. If letters count becomes 0, so we have to return 0 in this case. So else return 0. So this subset cannot be created, or else we have to return answer. Return answer. So we have to pass the letters count as well. So let's write it here. Letters count. So we have to maximize the answer. So maximizing the answer, we have to calculate the max of answer, comma, get score. What we have to pass is mask. So mask is I, and letters count we have calculated earlier, and we have to pass words, and then we don't need letters because we have used them, and we have to pass the score. So remove these letters and return the answer. So let's see if there's some missing thing. So we are checking which elements are there, and now we are using the ith. So we are using the ith word, and for each character of the ith word we are checking if we can use that letter, and if we cannot, then we are returning 0, else we are adding it to the answer, and we have to maximize the answer. So let's try to run it. So letters counts is the name of the vector. Oh my god, same mistake twice. That's not acceptable. So we are having a buffer overflow. So let's see where we are going wrong. So I equals to 0, I less than 2 raised to power words dot size minus 1, I plus plus, and I is our mask. Letters counts is calculated by this function, and then we have to pass words and then score. So for I equals to words dot size I plus plus, if the ith word is in the mask, we have to calculate the score for that word. So answer plus equals to score of words ij. Okay, so we have to subtract a from here, and we have to subtract a from here as well, and here as well, because these are ASCII values and we have to convert them into scale down to 1 to 25, 0 to 25. So it gives correct answer for this case. So let's try this one as well. So this is going to be the next case, this one and this one, and copy this. So let's try to run. So okay, I'm going to submit it. Oh my god, it gives a wrong answer. So let's see what this example is. So we have a bunch of A's, B's, C, D, and then E, F, G, H. And we have D, A, E, G, F, H. Interesting. I think I'm missing some small thing. So let's see what happens if we have the words as A and we have AB. So let's see what happens in this case. And we are passing the scores as this, and we have letters A and B. Oh, this is the problem here. We have to use less than equal to. So let's submit it now. So yeah, it's accepted. So the problem was I was not considering the subset which is having all the elements. So yeah, keep that in mind. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you liked this one. See you in the next one. Goodbye.